How to fix Snapchat black screen. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat, you have to scroll down and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click on OK. And now go to this option here, set as a default, and click on open supported links, and after this your problem will be solved. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.